So this AI tool is going to revolutionize the ability to create scripts for free. I'm going to show you a sample of what it can actually do, and then I recommend that you sign up for it. It's 100% free, doesn't cost you anything. All you need to do is sign up, register your email, register your phone number, and then you can start using it, okay? And what it does is it can create scripts on basically anything using AI, and the scripts, the ability of it to write scripts and how good it is going to blow your mind. Now, this is important because whether you're creating, courses and you want to create lectures automatically, right? It speeds up that process. Whether you want to create YouTube automation videos, it speeds up that process, right? You don't need to do a lot of research. You don't need to outsource script writing to somebody, and you don't need to spend a bunch of time yourself writing a script. All of these are now negated with this software, and it works very, very fast, and it's super effective. So let me show you an example of it. You can go to chat.openai.com and sign up, and that will take you to this page right here where you can simply type in a query or a question. So for example, I was showing my wife this earlier and it blew our minds. So I can literally tell it to write my wife a love letter for our first anniversary. And it will start processing, and about 10 to 15 seconds later, it's going to write a love letter literally to my wife based on our first anniversary, right? And so the ability of this to do that is already mind-blowing in general, but the fact that it's so good at it, as you can see up on the screen here, is even more mind-blowing. You can utilize this for a number of different reasons. Obviously, I plan on using this to, create YouTube automation scripts, so I can literally just have this research and create the script for me, and then I'll have somebody read it out very, very fast. So this is revolutionary. Play around with it. You can literally see what it's saying. Happy first anniversary. It's hard to believe that it's been a whole year since we set our vows and committed ourselves to each other. The past year has been filled with so many special moments and memories, and I'm so grateful to have you by my side through it all. From the first time we met, this is mind-blowing. It's kind of crazy. So that's just a random example of something super random, but let's tell it to write like a YouTube automation script, right? So let's say that we were in the, the Bitcoin niche. I always use that because a bunch of people I'm sure use that. It's a terrible example of a niche. Do not pick it, but let's say that we were. So we could tell it to write a YouTube script on why Bitcoin will hit 1 million this year. And we'll see what it comes up with. And you can also, you can play around with this. You can tell it to adjust the script based on specific things, but let's see what it comes up with. Today I want to talk about why I believe Bitcoin will hit $1 million mark this year. First, let's take a look at the history of Bitcoin. Since its creation in 2009, the value of Bitcoin has steadily risen. It saw a significant increase in value in 2017, reaching the $20,000 coin, while there's been fluctuations in value since. This is crazy. And the AI is doing this entirely for you automatically, literally in seconds. So there's not much more to say about this. It's really, really cool. It's a revolutionary tool. It's going to change your ability to write high quality scripts extremely fast that are well researched, and you can start pumping out content very, very quickly. So play around with this. Highly recommend it. Again, it's chat.openai.com.